everyone, what's up? My name is Arthur for Obi. So guys, I'm not gonna upload a Minecraft video for today. So I cannot upload a Minecraft videos for today because I buy a tablet. I suppose make a video Minecraft using my tablet, but I buy the tablet. It's kind of crap, so I'm gonna change it. But I will promise you guys on February gonna make a Minecraft video, me and Dr. Zook. So if you don't know Dr. Zook, I'm gonna be surprised you who is Dr. Zook. So guys, I hope you will like my video every day. Please subscribe on my channel. I really appreciate that. So all of my fans and my all subscribers, thank you for keep subscribing me. So guys, that's all for